Hello, my name is Jefferson Alexander Rojas Tiki. I am a student of software designing and development. Instructor Jonathan Bonilla. Activity: the evolution of technology and my professional field. Technology is changing fast, especially in fields like mobile development and cloud computing. In the next 5 years, we will have seen a complete transformation in how we work and learn thanks to new digital tools. Traditional software and software engineering on Earth computer would be two thirds interlinked. Most companies will have mobile to cloud-based platforms. This shift is revolutionary because it changes how we develop and access software. As students, we are constantly adapting. Where we have been using tools like GitHub and Firebase for several years to collaborate and design in real time. These tools make their work and development worse and more effective. The future will bring more automation and artificial intelligence development. We have need to learn how to work with these tools to stay relevant. Thus we are already preparing for that reality today. In conclusion, technology is not only until it is a process of constant evolution. As software student, it current that it will have been learning and upstanding skills during my university career. That is the key to staying competitive. Thank you, teacher.